In this lab, polymer processing is studied as a method to convert raw material into useful product with control shape, dimension, and performance. The material used is a PP, LDPE, and silicon rubber. We are focused on four processing methods: the compression molding, injection molding, screw extrusion, and silicon curing. The main aim is to understand how processing parameters such as temperature, pressure, screw speed, preheat time, and curing ratio affect a product quality, defect, extrusion time, and curing time. Through this study, suitable setting can be defined to improve polymer product quality and reduce manufacturing defects.
This slide explains the main processing parameters. For compression molding, we control the amount of material and preheat it to ensure good mold filling. For injection molding, melt temperature and pressure help the material flow and fill the mold. For screw extrusion, barrier temperature and screw speed control the melting and movement of the polymer. Finally, for the silicon rubber, the base to hardening ratio is important for proper curing. Overall, the correct parameter produce better product quality.
Here I will be presenting about the result. Firstly, the compression. A higher material amount could cause excess material to flow out during compression, resulting in flash formation. Lower material amount may lead to incomplete mold filling and uneven surface. A longer preheating time improves material softening and producing better quality specimen. For injection molding, higher temperature reduces matte viscosity, allowing the polymer flow easily and fill the mold cavity completely. In contrast, lower temperature increases matte viscosity, resulting in poor flow and possible incomplete filling. High injection pressure improves the mold filling and produces the better quality specimens.
For the screw extrusion, the shortest extrusion time of 4 minutes was achieved at 230 degrees Celsius and 25 rpm. This is because the high temperature lowered the melt viscosity of polypropylene, while the higher screw speed improved the material flow through the barrel, reducing the extrusion time. For the curing test, the 1.5:1 ratio recorded the shortest curing time, while the 1:1.5 ratio required the longest time. This indicates that the base to hardening ratio influenced the cross-linking process and curing behavior. Therefore, selecting the optimum processing parameters is essential to improve production efficiency.
This slide compares the four processing methods used in our experimental works. For example, compression molding is suitable for rubber parts. Injection molding is commonly used for butter caps. Screw extrusion is used to produce pipes or sheets. And silicon curing time is suitable for sealant or flexible molds. So overall, each process has its own function, and the best choice depends on the material, product shape, and the quality we want to achieve.
In conclusion, controlling processing parameter is very important in polymer processing because it affects product quality, defects, and processing time. For compression molding, the correct PP quantity and preheat time help to produce a better specimen with complete filling. For injection molding, temperature and pressure must be balanced to prevent short shoot, defect, and flash. For screw extrusion, the best condition with 230 with 35 rpm, which given the faster extrusion time of 4 minutes. For silicon curing, the 1.5:1 base to hardener ratio give the shortest curing time, about 120. Overall, optimized processing setting can be produce more consistent polymer product with few manufacturing faults.